What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Aquí llevamos la Pantera. We're gonna take it to exhaust porque, como les dije ayer, el mofle está completamente caído de atrás. There's no support on it at all. It's on the cross members. You can kind of hear it where it shakes like the whole cab. So we're gonna eliminate that. We're gonna go to muffler shop. Kind of do like the tips que trae. Las tips que trae se miran buenas. I kind of like them. Pero el placement donde están, they just, you know, they don't look good. A mí no me gustan. So we're gonna extend them a little bit to the back, sacarlas para afuera. You know, it maybe eliminates a little bit of the drone sound porque está bien loud. I'm not used to having a loud truck. Pero a mí el exhaust me gusta, se oye bien, sí se oye bien macizo. You can hear it. Everything's vibrating. So, aquí vamos en camino. We're going to go to a local muffler shop that's here in La Jolla. So you can go ahead and do the little modifications on my exhaust. So you could eliminate that rattle en idle. And yo, pues, la primera vez que la compramos, ¿verdad? Pues, I didn't drive it home. La hizo drive mi carnal. So, once we got home, pues ya, que yo la moví para atrás, la metí para atrás para el estudio. Pues ya sentí donde hizo vibe y dije, pues qué onda, y ahí me asustó. Yo pensé que era como un motor mount, or I don't know.
Sorry, could you say that again?
Cállate, Siri, por favor, hombre. Yo pensé que era un motor mount o algo, pero pues ya nos damos cuenta que es el mofle que está suelto. Pero aquí vamos en la Panterona, bien acelerados. I like, man, the right quality está mamalon. It's one of the best things you can do to your truck if you have a single cab or a extended cab or a crew cab or whatever. Y quieres bajarla, make sure you guys do it the right way, para que no anden batallando, you know, porque right quality is what wins. I've had them before donde estaban, you know, calentonas, you know, you'd pay $100 y te daban el drop, pero no, hombre, el right, pues, it's just, no se compara. So let's hit up the muffler shop. De repente a lo mejor le cambiamos mofle, pero todo depende de ver qué es lo que tiene ahí. Pero I kind of like how it sounds. It's just the placement de las tips no me gustan. Están enfrente de la llanta and it's just, ya no se usan así. So we're gonna extend it to the back. I keep the same tips. I like the tips. They look sporty. And pues así la vamos a dejar. So let's go ahead and go to the muffler shop. Vámonos. Incluso le vamos a switch this one up. Le vamos a poner otra single que salga para acá para afuera. You'll see right now. Ahorita van a ver lo que vamos a ponerle aquí. Está quebrado el bracket.
No, esto lo pone dos brackets porque está...
Donde pegaba, por eso sonaba todo. No, suena toda la cab por dentro.
Aquí pega.
Sí. Dije yo, ya, sí, dije yo, es el tacón del motor, le digo. Hasta que ya me di cuenta.
Se cae un tacón, entonces sí pega.
Sí, man.
Nomás estaba suelto ahí, ahorita lo pongo un bracket o dos. Ahorita pone dos porque está muy...
Sí, la pata la tirada para acá para afuera. Hay manera que se puede poner como en un angle esta.
Necesita
Para
short,
que no-
necesita short tips.
Una short tip.
Sí, largo no costea.
Ahí
Muy
te-
largo este. Necesita short ones, que son cortitos como este short.
¿Tiene ese short?
Nada más que no tengo, se me acabaron. No va así nada.
Así.
Sí, porque va a estorbar el bracket este.
No creo que tope.
Pues lo puedo hacer, nomás que voy a mochar este, porque va a ir right there. Hay uno shorter, está con madre, ¿ves?
Quería un poquito
Cae
mejor.
nomás así. Angle. Dame cheque si tengo uno.
Checa si tiene, si no, pues we'll figure something out. So yeah, this is the issue right here that we were facing. Estaba quebrado el bracket ese, so el muffle would rest here. I mean, see, it'll focus. It would rest here, so cuando caía, pues todo el vibration del motor, it travels through here y pues se metía dentro de la cabina. That's why we had that vibration. Pero, you know, we're gonna try to get it fixed. We're gonna try and get we're gonna put all the exhaust off afuera. We're gonna eliminate that. So, vamos a ver cómo nos. Vamos a ver. ¿Te llevo una? There we go. Perfect. Así un little angle para que no, cuando le suba la trailer y así, no toque.
Right there?
Sí, que salga un poquito para afuera. Right there. Yep.
O sea, así no puedo hacer la curva bien.
Está bueno. Perfect. Y ahí dispense mi raza que empezamos el vlog un poquito tarde hoy, pero nos la pasamos haciendo unos errands que teníamos que hacer for work. So, you know. But, so it is. We've been dropping daily vlogs. We're going to try and drop daily vlogs all this week. So this Saturday, mi raza, we will be at Toro Stadium in Edinburgh for Lit Fest with my compa Eric. We will have maybe La Pantera out there. Kilo will definitely be out there. So just want to let everybody know that we're going to be out there. We're going to have full merch, everything, para que le caigan. We will be giving away a pair of tickets for the shootout that's following weekend, October 8th. So, y'all want to stop by? You might be the lucky winner. Vamos a ver cómo queda la Pantera. The idea of us, you know, what we wanted, that's what I wanted. I actually wanted to keep the tips that it had, pero we're just going to eliminate the tips, and we're going to put a single tip, todo hasta atrás. So, we'll see ahorita cómo se ve, cómo queda. So this is the tip we're going to end up going with. This is a shorty one. Ya le están poniendo ahí un little bracket donde va a ir. Final product with a little bit of angle, that way we don't have any issues getting it in and out of the trailer. Pero ahí quedó la Panterona con su exhaust. Now, vamos a echar gas. Gotta pump some gas. Pero ya que andamos aquí en la calle, I'm gonna go get a transmission cooler for it, porque sí le vi que no trae transmission cooler. And so we're gonna put it in the burnout pit. We don't want to fuck up the transmission, so we're gonna stop at AutoZone real quick and get that transmission cooler so we get it installed tomorrow. Again, it's shootout crunch time. It's happening October 8th at EMP. Make sure you don't want to miss that one. It's gonna be hell of a show, hell of fun. You know, it's a family event, and we've been doing it for the past, 15 years. So. Para que le caigan. So let's stop here at AutoZone real quick. Let's pick up that transmission cooler. There we go, mi raza. Ya agarramos el transmission cooler. We're going to try maybe install it ourselves. Así podemos. Y así no podemos, pues ya le vamos con el mecánico, ¿eh? Pero I mean, if we could do it, might as well just give it a try. Get you guys more video of trying to install it. Trying to be YouTube mechanics. So, ¿qué más les iba a decir? There we go. No se quería poner en drive. Estaba en D, estaba en neutral y ya por fin. Tuve que hacer pause tantito la cámara, ponerme cinturón porque vamos bajando por la joya. Aquí en la joya tan desgraciados. So what you guys think del exhaust, the way we installed it, and I've seen it in a couple trucks, That's why they installed it, do it like in an angle, para que no tope, ¿verdad? En cuando la sube la trailer, la baja la trailer, or maybe like in low surfaces. I mean, it's a good thing. El que traía estaba bueno. The tip, I liked it. Se miraba sporty, pero it's just the position donde estaba como que, I don't know. I just wasn't feeling it. No me gustaba la posición donde estaba, so, that is that. Pero, pues, go. I mean, I like it, but, y'all drop a comment. Leave a comment below, let us know. Lo hicimos bien, o la cagamos. We take good and bad, positive, negative feedback. That's what makes the channel grow, and that's how we bring you more videos. Pero I like it. Casi más o menos le quitó un poquito el sound que tenía aquí dentro de la cab. Ya no tiembla, that's for sure. Ya no trae la tembladera que traía antes. So, anything good is good. I kind of like it. It's a little bit quieter than how it was, that's for sure. Hablando de la joya, mira nomás, hablando de la joya. Training cooler on it. I don't think it'll be that difficult. We're gonna give it a try. Y si no podemos, pues ya, we'll take it to the shop para que no lo hagan install. So that's gonna be it for this video. Quick little video, just a little update. Just wanted to drop it, let you guys know what we're doing with la Pantera. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. La estamos haciendo bien, la estamos cagando. La vendemos, ya no hacemos nada. This is, como les dije en el otro video, this is gonna be the official burnout / show booth whatever truck. So catches at a shootout. It'll be the first time putting it in the burnout pit, and then after the shootout we are gonna go to Houston, and we're gonna take it also to Houston, put it in the burnout pit over there. So in order for us to put it in the burnout pit, pues, we gotta get the tranny cooler in there. Keeps the transmission a little bit cooler, porque pues le da mataril, y yo le noté que no traía cuando lo compramos. No, le noté que no traía tranny cooler. Pero bueno, pues es parte del juego, it's part of the game, and it's part of trying to have fun, and that's just what it is, and, having fun. Pero pues at the same time you don't want to break, la transmisión o el motor. So, we're probably gonna take it to the shop tomorrow. If we can install it, el training cooler today, we'll take it to the shop tomorrow. Y ya que está ahí, que le hagan el oil change, spark plug, que chequen las bandas, and do all the good stuff. But that's it. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Like I said, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to the channel because we got more videos coming up. Su compa Leo, we signing out.